So here I am with Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
You're not supposed to say hi, Grandpa. All right. Well, here I am with Grandpa, and he moved in here November 15th. And if you guys remember, that was a day that there was a really big snowstorm, and we had to ride home that day in the snow. Well, Grandpa and I were talking about snowstorms the last time I came up to visit him because we haven't had any snow since you moved here. That was 5 weeks ago, Grandpa. Can you believe that?
Well, I was here.
I know you were here, but we haven't had any snow since. No snow since that. So, tell everybody about the big snowstorm that you remember. What was the biggest snowstorm? You remember.
I don't remember at all.
You remember. You told me about it last week.
That was out to get them.
What? It was 1930.
Way back.
Yeah, way back. Way back.
Oh, I see that.
What year was that?
That was 45.
45?
Uh-huh.
And how much snow was there?
Well, that was everything snow short. That's when my grandmother died.
Oh, and the funeral was that day, right?
That was that day.
Oh, my
The
goodness.
undertaker, they had all the roots splocked. They shoveled it.
Oh, my
Till
gosh.
he got home, he lost his watch, but somebody seen it, and they kept it.
Oh, my gosh. So
I
he never
know.
got his watch back? No?
That's what I know.
I think you told me about a story about someone walking to the funeral
Yeah.
because their car broke, or car got stuck in the snow, right?
Yeah. That was just about covered when they left.
Wow.
And then he went back up to help to get this out of the bank. To show them they don't know where it was.
Oh, my gosh.
That was even as the bank road. The bank was that high,
Oh, my gosh.
and that was all filled up.
Well, how did they get home?
Huh?
How did they get home?
Oh, they could shovel it out.
They shoveled. Okay. All right. Wouldn't that be crazy if we had another snowstorm like that?
Oh,
Hmm?
that was in 36.
A 36. I didn't think it was 45. I thought it was 1936.
36.
All right.
Float, that's what I float. That time they had ice crush. I think I was skating on snow.
So this ice was on top of the snow, and then you went skating on the ice?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That's crazy. All right. Say goodbye to everybody.
We had oh no, and in 72 that was another one.
Well, that was the flood. That was when you lived on Spruce Street, the flood, and the wall saved you guys, right? Yep. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
We're ready for snow. We want snow, right?
No,
Yeah, you don't have to shovel it anymore.
I don't get to see it.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I ain't unless I go the whole way in each hand. That's the only way I can see it.
That's okay. You can still do that. Get you out of the bed. All right, take care. Love you. Bye.
Yeah.